So you've got yourself Final Cut Pro X, but you're ready to take your video editing to the next level. You want to be quicker, you want to be more efficient. How can you do that? Well, with these 5 Final Cut Pro hacks. It's coming up. Okay, so let's start off with a really useful hack, especially if your computer is running a little slow and you don't have the money to upgrade it. Better performance. This will instantly speed up your editing workflow and is really easy to do. So in Final Cut, just head up here and click on the View drop-down menu, then select Better Performance rather than Better Quality. Now, what this will do is give you a mini boost when it comes to editing and will help speed everything up. The trade-off is that you will lose a bit of resolution in your playback viewer, but this is only whilst editing. Your video will still export in the resolution you shot it in. So we've sped things up, now let's get into some editing using adjustment layers. What's an adjustment layer? An adjustment layer is a transparent layer you can apply effects to, and this will only affect what's underneath. So let me show you an example because this will save you a massive amount of time. Let's say you want to color grade your final project. Without an adjustment layer, you've got 2 options. You can go through your entire project and color grade each individual clip and try to match everything up the best you can, which will take an absolute lifetime, or make your entire project a new compound clip and chuck a color grade on the whole thing, which doesn't really work because some clips require tweaking, and this is very difficult and time consuming with a compound clip. But with an adjustment layer, simply drag it on top of the clips that you would like to color grade and then add your chosen LUT. This is so much quicker and doesn't affect your clips underneath, meaning you can still make tweaks to those if needed. Quick disclaimer, adjustment layers do not come built into Final Cut, but are free and easy to install. I will put links and more information about these in the description below. Paste attributes, another massive time saver, this one. Let's say you have a clip you've made multiple edits to. Maybe you've cropped it slightly, you've adjusted the audio, and you've color corrected it. Now let's say you want to apply all those effects to another clip. To repeat this process will take a while, especially if you've got more than one clip, but not with paste attributes. Simply select the clip that you've edited, hit Command C, then select the clip you want to apply these effects to and hit Command Shift V. This will bring up your paste attributes window. Any effects you don't want to paste, simply deselect, or if you want to paste everything, just hit OK. And just like that, all these effects have been pasted to your chosen clip. Range selection, multiple uses for this tool, but the 2 I use most are for exporting and audio adjustments. So imagine you're editing a talking head style video and you want the music to dip as your subject is talking. Well, just come over here to your toolbar and select range selection, or hit R on your keyboard. Now click and drag on the music below where your subject is talking. You can now adjust the audio levels and only what's inside this highlighted area will be affected, like so. This makes talking head style videos so much quicker and allows your subject to easily be heard over the backing track. The next really good use for the range selection tool is for exporting your videos. So let's say you have multiple projects on your timeline, or you just want to export a part of your video. Use your range selection tool to highlight the clips you would like to export and then export. This will only export the clips you've highlighted. Really useful, especially if you only need to export a part of your timeline. Okay, the next hack, a slightly unusual one, this one, but will definitely help speed things up when it comes to editing, and that is a Final Cut keyboard. These keyboards have all of the Final Cut shortcuts printed onto the keys, so it's a really simple way to learn all of the shortcuts quickly. These keyboards are priced at around £100, which I know isn't cheap, but when you think about it from a time-saving perspective, this could be a very worthwhile investment. But hey, look, maybe this is way beyond your budget for a new keyboard, but you still want to learn these shortcuts. Well, a great, much cheaper alternative are these stick-on keyboard covers. These have all the same shortcuts on, but mean you don't have to buy a whole new keyboard. So there you have it. There's 5 Final Cut Pro video editing hacks to help you be more efficient and quicker. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, the chances are you're probably going to enjoy some of my other video editing tutorials. If you'd like to watch one of those, you can do that by clicking over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.